Hi, this is Rahul. I'm a front-end developer with about 7 years experience building complex web applications using a lot of frameworks and libraries. React is something that I've been using for about 2 years now, and I've always found it a perfect fit for all the applications that I've built with it. The session that I'll be taking will focus on how to improve the performance of your components and how do you measure the performance. When we talk on how to improve the performance, we'll focus on the rendering part of the components. If you have checked ever, then your components could be re-rendering unnecessarily for about 3, 4, or even 5 times on an average. Now, we all know that every time a render occurs, a lot of heavy lifting happens on the React side in terms of virtual DOM diffing and even DOM manipulation when it actually renders. So we know that all that, although React does very efficiently, can be a drag on your UI if the UI is pretty large or complex. So that's where we'll be focusing to improve the performance of the component. Now, we'll see how to do that using a lifecycle method that React provides. It's called should component update. You all already know about this, I'm sure, but we'll see how to best and most reliably check whether the props and state of your component have actually changed in order to determine whether the render should happen. Now, apart from different approaches that we could be following for this, one is to use immutable JS to check for the quality of your props and state. And we'll also see some other approaches for this. Apart from the should component update method, we'll see how avoiding function binds and some literal arrays and objects sometimes can also improve the performance of your component. Next, we'll also see how do you actually measure the performance by the tools that React provides. In all, at the end of the session, you'll realize how you could avoid some common mistakes in order to make your React component work like a charm, and how it's easy it is sometimes to just keep few things in mind in order to make sure that a React is working the best that it can. It's pretty simple, but we'll see how to do it. Thanks.